Alright, so let's take a look at the battery because it's not installed directly on the thing. Here it is, the battery that comes with it is going to be Dean's. It'll stick in there. And this is different from what they had in the... So it's just Velcro. The battery is smaller than I expected, but that's not a biggie. I'm pretty sure this will be just fine as is. And we'll get the remote out. Cool, look at this. The remote is zip-locked, which is nice. Well, I guess they're really counting on the machine itself to be indestructible. Let's see. Wow. Can't open it. I really can't open it.
Likey.